Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 11th of October. And first of all, national news. Avoid non-essential travel to and within Ukraine, India advised citizens. Nirmala Sitharaman to attend World Bank IMF annual meetings in United States. Ready to support de-escalation efforts in Ukraine, reiterates India. Mulayam Singh Yadav, veteran politician, died at 82. PM's tributed to Mulayam Singh Yadav, key soldier during emergency. Pillar of socialism on Mulayam Singh Yadav's death, Yogi Adityanath declared 3-day mourning. Russian-Ukraine conflict does not serve anybody's interest. S. Jaishankar. End of an era. On Mulayam Singh Yadav's death, Amit Shah's tribute. Urban Naxals trying to enter Gujarat in new appearances. PM Modi. Freedom being misused. S. Jaishankar on Khalistan activities in Canada. Repeated probe agency summoned to ex-Kerala minister unjustified. Quote. PIB, the Press Information Bureau, shared safety tips to avoid getting scammed by online job frauds. Now some international news. Liz Truss appointed Rishi Sunak's ally as UK Trade Minister. Response to Ukrainian strikes will be severe, Vladimir Putin. Malaysia PM dissolved parliament for snap elections. Germany said its envoys building in Ukraine hit by Russian missiles. China imposed new lockdowns to curb COVID ahead key Congress meet. Russian missiles that hit Ukraine crossed our airspace, said Moldova. After Crimea bridge bombed, Belarus and Russia to form joint task force. Russia timed strike to inflict maximum damage, President Zelensky said. United Nations General Assembly to debate Russian annexations in Ukraine. 3-share economics Nobel for research on banks' financial crisis. Now, news related to sports. Cristiano Ronaldo hit 700th goal as Manchester United beat Everton in Premier League. New Zealand to tour Pakistan for 2 tests, 8 ODIs and 5 T20 internationals. PhonePe founders acquired Mumbai Meteors to join Prime Volleyball League, bandwagon. And 36 national games, Praganya Mohan won triathlon gold, services continue March. Team India earned qualification for AFC Under-17 Asian Cup 2023. Now news related to business. Sensex falls 200 points but bears steep losses from earlier in the day. Rupee closed flat at 82.32 a dollar after hitting a new record low of 82.70. Retail inflation likely hit a 5-month high in September on surging food cost, a report said. India got fourth set of Swiss bank account details under the agreed framework. TCS reported 8.4% rise in net profit to rupees 10,431 crore in September quarter. Tata Motors shared fall 5% as Jaguar Land Rover sales volumes disappoint. Now news related to science and technology. NASA shared mesmerizing pic of Bubble Nebula 7,100 light years away from Earth. China launched first solar observatory to solve mystery of sun's eruptions. And NASA's InSight lander is stuck under a continent-sized dust storm on Mars. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.